Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to study general medicine for Neet Mds. Begin by thoroughly understanding the syllabus and identifying key areas. Focus on foundational concepts from standard textbooks, ensuring a deep comprehension of each topic. Create concise notes for quick review, highlighting important facts and clinical correlations. This structured approach will help you cover the vast subject efficiently and effectively. Aim for a solid understanding of basic principles before moving to advanced concepts. For general medicine, prioritize subjects like pathology, pharmacology, and microbiology, as they form the backbone of many questions. Supplement your textbook study with popular review books specifically designed for Neet Mds. Regularly solve questions from comprehensive question banks to identify your weak areas. Engaging with clinical case discussions will also enhance your understanding and application of medical knowledge. This multi-pronged approach ensures comprehensive preparation. Consistent practice is crucial for success. Dedicate a significant portion of your study time to solving multiple-choice questions daily. Regular revision of all topics is equally important to solidify your memory and prevent forgetting. After taking mock tests, thoroughly analyze your performance, understanding why you made errors. This analytical approach helps you learn from mistakes and refine your strategies for better scores. Aim for at least 2 hours of daily MCQ practice. Effective time management is vital. Develop a realistic study schedule that includes regular short breaks to prevent burnout and maintain focus. Prioritize your well-being by ensuring you get adequate sleep, eat nutritious meals, and incorporate some physical activity. Remember, a healthy mind and body are essential for optimal learning and performance. Also, don't forget to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other helpful deals to support your study journey. Staying hydrated is key.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.